Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how to rank using Ubersuggest Traffic Analyzer, so stay tuned. So here I am on Ubersuggest again, and last time I talked about the Ubersuggest keyword tool, but this time I'm going to talk about the Traffic Analyzer tool. So the Traffic Analyzer, what it does is you can put in a site like google.com or whatever site, your site, or a competitor's website, and you can get a ton of information that's useful. So if I put in Google, I get the rankings for organic keywords, organic monthly traffic, the domain score out of 100, and 100 being the best, and then the backlinks. So organic keywords, these are a lot of organic keywords they're ranking for, and they have a ton of organic traffic. They have the best domain score, which isn't surprising since they're the #1 search engine, and then tons and tons of backlinks. After logging in, now I can see the traffic graph, so I can see how many visits they're having a month. So it looks like they had a dip in July, but then a huge spurt in February. This is all organic monthly traffic, which is so much for Google, which makes sense. You can look at how much they're ranking for keywords. Looking at this graph, it looks like they are increasing how many keywords that they are ranking in positions 51 to 100, and as well as 4 to 10. Not so much in words 1 to 3. For keywords between ranks 1 and 3, it's the hardest because it's really hard to rank #1 for any keyword, and for them, you know, that they're keeping it consistent at the amount of keywords that they're ranking for in that category. Which this graph shows that they're ranking for 200,000 some keywords at rank position 1 through 3, so that's pretty great. It just looks really small on this graph because compared to the other ranks, they're getting a lot more keywords ranked. Down here you can see the top SEO pages, so these are the pages that are driving the most traffic to their domain. So you can see google.com, which is the main search engine landing page. You can see it as over like 50 million Facebook engagements, which is a lot, and over 8 million Pinterest engagements. And then you can see Gmail, Docs, Drive. So these are all their products. And Flights is a really good one too. I've used Flights. So it makes sense. They're really good products and tools, and then they drive traffic back to the same domain as Google. Same with the SEO keywords. You can see what keywords are helping them rank that domain. So they're ranking #1 for Google, Gmail, Google Docs, YouTube. Since they own YouTube, they're ranking #9. And these are tons of visits that are coming in. And you can see more if you click the link. So if I click the link, you can see all the different keywords they're ranking for and all the different products. And even generic ones like email and images, slides. So Google's doing really well. So you might be wondering, how can you use this tool to rank? Well, the #1 thing you should do with the Traffic Analyzer is you should look at your competitors, the big competitors. So like if you're a small shoe store and you want to find competitor keywords, I would type in like Nike because they're a shoe brand. So you could look at Nike.com and you can see they have tons of organic keywords, traffic, they have a really good domain score, tons of backlinks, and notice that they've been really shooting up their traffic. So they must have had some campaigns or a need for shopping toward the end of the year, which makes sense. People are probably buying more shoes from them later in the year. Same with their keyword rankings have been going up. And what you could do is you could look at the content that is generating them this. So obviously they have Nike.com, but they also have other pages that are probably helping them to rank. So these are the top traffic pages, and these are all the estimated visits. And notice they have, women's sneakers. They have, sweatpants, joggers. So these are the types of products that are ranking really high for them. So you could try to sell and brand your own content and write about different products and how they can help people, exercise easier and stuff like that. You can look into something like Nike Lab or Nike Launch, some of their brands, and then try to emulate that with your own. You can also look at the shares. So the shares will tell you, what's really popping for them. For example, the Nike sneakers app. So you could look at that, 8,000, engagements or shares. And, that's really, really good. So you can try to model yourself off of them. Let's say you're a pizza shop. Maybe you want to model yourself off of Pizza Hut. So you can look at their delivery. It's getting a ton of different engagement there. So maybe if you don't have a delivery service, you need to add that. So it looks like Wing Street's really popular, so maybe you could follow a model like that. So it gives you an idea of what content is driving the traffic. Going back to the Nike example, you can look at the different keywords. So you can see Nike running shoes, women's shoes. Some of these brands are really ranking high. You can see Pizza Hut near me, coupons, deals, deliveries. So these are the types of services you want to be providing within your pizza business. You want to have delivery, you want to have coupons, and you want to include that in your metadata on your pages. So if you have a developer or you're doing it yourself, when you're writing out your blog or your web pages, you want to make sure you're including these keywords. Not necessarily Pizza Hut, but pizza near me. Pizza coupons, and that's going to be all in your content, your YouTube videos, your Instagram posts, all of it. All of it matters for ranking. So this concludes the overview of the Ubersuggest traffic analyzer. I hope you found a ton of value with this. You can use this to rank better by seeing what your competitors are doing, and if you have a ton of traffic yourself, you can put in your own website. Most people just starting out don't have enough data. But if you're an established brand and you have enough backlinks and enough traffic, maybe you have a lot of paid traffic or SEO traffic, you've been in business for a couple months, you can just put in your website and you can see what you're ranking for. Then you can create more content around that. I hope you start using this tool to help you grow your business and your brand. If you like this video, say yes in the comments below. If you want to learn how to make 6 to 7 figures online with keyword research, then click the link in the description. I will outline it for you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.